start of a movie vlog. So this is what we got done today. And guess where Desmond is?
I got a fort, y'all.
Like boxes everywhere, girl. My office looks a mess. Like literally, this is everything now. It literally looks a mess. Like I don't even show it. Okay guys, so today is October 19th and here is all of our stuff packed up. Desmond is actually getting the U-Haul right now. I'm gonna show you guys the office now. Okay, when you walk in my office, my gorgeous wall is gone. Everything is like wrapped up and ready to go. So yeah, I have totes full of things that I need to run my business, and I'm keeping them with me because we actually don't even drive to Atlanta until the end of this week. Today's Monday. We probably won't get to Atlanta until Sunday or Monday. We don't know which date for sure. So I have these totes out with all of my inventory and my packaging supplies and everything that I need to still run my business. We're actually just going to go to my mom's house because she lives in the same city that I live in now. And we're going to stay there for a couple of days. Once our apartment is ready in Atlanta, we're going to move down there. Remember, I had all of my inventory right here. It's gone. So, yep. So it's Wednesday. The last time I talked to you guys was on Monday. Today is the 21st. And everything is out of our apartment, but still have to get some orders out. So here are some orders that I just did last night. And me and Desmond were tagging a bunch of clothes and stuff last night as well. And yeah, so I have to go over those. And then I literally just had I got my ring light right here because I need to take some pictures later. And then I got my printer set up right here. And I was literally just sitting right here getting all of these done. So I'm going to drop these off today. I'll show you guys me taking this to the post office. Okay, so I just added the packages in these little baggies because we have these for moving. So I was like, let me just go ahead and use them. And we're about to head to the post office. So here is the final room. Goodbye. A lot of freaking memories and success came out of this office. A lot. Goodbye, KDK headquarters. On to something new. And better. Okay guys, so here is the new KDK. Literally just arrived. So the last time we talked, I don't think I had a lot of this stuff in here. My mom actually flew here and she helped me unpack all this stuff. So if you guys watch my other videos with my office and stuff, it's kind of set up similar. I'll have those linked down below for you guys to check out. But I wanted to pick up the camera and just show you guys the progress. And I'm about to do something with this wall for my inventory. I'm no longer going to use those black shelves. So I have all of my inventory and I'm just going to have it all placed right there. So I have to go to Lowe's, and then I have this huge mirror that I want to put right here. So I'll show you guys that. And then I'm going to decorate this wall, and then we just put this stuff up. Mom's in there helping me with the other stuff. And Desmond's at the store. Okay guys, so we just got home. These are the racks. It took so long to get these. Literally, like, the process was like 2 hours because we had to go to 2 different stores and then figure out everything. And we ended up having to get these cut, so it was a lot, but it's finally done. I got these things right here. So they're 16-inch brackets, and it depends on the width and the height of whichever shelving that you get. and you'll be able to see it once you go to Lowe's because it tells you what to get. But so far I got 3 of them. So I want to have one about right there, and then one right there, and then one right there for now. The collage wall is back, kinda. Me and my mom just put this up. We'll put these up. This wall is kind of smaller, and I didn't want all those makeup pictures anymore, so I just picked out the ones that I like best, and then if I see any more that I like, I'll just add them as I go. But yeah, I have the original video up above, so you guys can click that if y'all want to see me and my mom pick this up the first time at my old apartment. But yeah. Okay guys, this just came in the mail. It's literally a huge backdrop, so I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it look like. And I have a link down below if y'all want to use this for your business, but it's really, really big. Here's the other one that I showed you guys last time, but I honestly outgrew this, so I need a bigger one just so I can make better content. But I'll have this one linked as well. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's really tall. It's actually taller than what I thought it was gonna be, but it'll come in handy. A 12, and then the next one will go right there.
4 to 6 feet, 16 inches. Oh, yeah, they're 16 inches support bracket.
It looks good. I'm gonna look like I'm doing something for my video. Perfect.
Yeah, you gotta drill it like that. Look at her, y'all.
You gotta say boss girls, friends, boss friends.
Bossfriends.
I'm Nisha the Builder.
In here.
So is it right in the middle?
Yeah, where
You tell me.
at.
You the one down there.
Okay. Don't I gotta hold it?
Oh.
Now go back out and go swirl in there.
Okay guys, so the inventory wall is finally finished thanks to my mom and Desmond. The Closet Made brand, and they are 8 foot long. This part to this part, it's 12 inches, and then this whole bracket is 16 inches. I think this is 6 inches wide, so it's more than enough space for me to store my inventory. In comparison to my black ones that I had, I think they're about the same width, so everything should just go smoothly. I started off with 3, but I know I'll probably eventually need more. Jasmine's right there. Mom. Hi. So this is my room, y'all. It actually does not look bad. Let me stop. My mom came to help me with a lot, but all of this is my inventory, so that's all gonna go up here. And then I just need to get back working and stuff because yeah, this move has been long. I'm gonna turn it opposite way. All of these are filled with inventory that needs to be tagged and bagged, and then they go up here. So what I'm gonna start doing is when I get inventory in, I'm gonna organize them and probably put them in totes, and then tag them and then bag them, and then they'll go up here just so I can stay really organized. But yeah, I have so much more inventory, but I'll show you guys that whenever I get done doing it. And yeah, but this is literally have to get a ladder because it's kind of like my head stops at the second one. So it's pretty tall. Sabrina to the rescue. Y'all, we're almost done. All of those are tagged and bagged from yesterday. And then they're gonna go up there. And then, as you can see, we still have some more. But these are just like the restock items. So, it's getting done. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it. Just tag it. And it has a safety pin at the top. You're just gonna pin it to the stitching in the inside. Well, we do have 2 discs, but if you see a string or something, just cut it out. And then put the top on. Press it down, get the air out, and then it's done. Looks so good. Okay guys, so it's later on in the day and we finally have everything cleaned up, all of the plastic bags, all the tags, and just all the trash up and everything. So here is a little bit of the items that we tagged and bagged, and we're just gonna put them up there. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do or whatever. I'll have another video similar to me doing this linked above, so you can click that card and watch that video after this video if you like. Okay guys, so this is what I have done so far. Everything looks really good. I'm missing a bunch of inventory, but this is a lot of inventory that I recently just got before I moved, and this is just what's left over. So yeah, I have launches for the next 2 months set up, and I have packages scheduled. So we're gonna see how this lasts. What I do notice already is I'm gonna need some type of dividers. If you guys have these type of shelves and you guys use dividers, let me know what to get, because that's the only problem I think I'll have just for the items that like I have a lot of, just because I don't want anything to fall. So I'm gonna look into dividers, but besides that, this is all I'm gonna do for tonight, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated with what I have going on. I'll show you guys my costume. He has, you got him. You guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time, boss friends. Bye.